Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put mounting tape onto the frame. I've already attached the screws to it. I have the iMac connected to the TV, and I was just reading that for this particular frame, there are no drivers needed for the Mac because it will automatically recognize it. So once I finish the updates on my iMac, which has been off forever, we'll connect this, and then I'll come back and show how it all works.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, so my iMac is still updating, and or my Mac Mini is still updating, and I'm a little anxious and impatient. So I'm connecting it to my MacBook. So my MacBook, I have this infrared overlay. It's connected via USB to my MacBook, and I'm gonna open up Mural. So this is what I'm going to use to actually create the Vibeboard, because the Vibeboard is basically a smart whiteboard that you can have touch. So I'm going to log into my Mural, and I'm going to open up a board and go full screen. And this has some stuff already, so let me just delete this. Okay, so now this is Mural. And what I'm going to do is now I should be able to just click on here with my hands and select, and just right away. And I have two stylus. Where's your stylus? Let's see if it works with the Apple Pencil. Oh, look at that. So I think with the Apple Pencil, I have a heavy hand. So that is great. Where's the other?
Oh, it's over there.
So I'm gonna try with this one. What is this one?
It's a...
Statler?
Yeah, Statler.
Okay, so let's see. A little bit better. So this has like the sponge tip on it. I like this. It's a thin tip. So I'm digging it. I think I need to calibrate it. But as you can see, it has turned my TV into a smart whiteboard. Who's winning now?
Not only fans.
Like a different a smoother surface, like
Like a film,
A film.
for the.
for the.
What do you think,
monitor.
though?
Yeah.
So this is. I got it without the screen. I can actually get a screen that we can overlay for smoother writing. So this is my, I think I paid $100, my $100 hack for a $3,000 Vibeboard. Dig it?
Yeah. I just